Hey there, I'm Divya from TrendBrain. It's nice to meet you. Our reading series is designed for children of ages 3 to 6 years. When you start teaching a child sight words, it's important that we start small and we build up with the longer words. So let's begin with the 2-letter words for them to memorize, and that's going to be a lot easier than 3-letter and the 4-letter words. And here is a list of 2-letter sight words that you can start with. He, do, so, go, to, me. Now you might ask, how should we read them? Is it like in the phonetic way, like he, d, do, so? No, we're not going to do it in a phonetic way, wherein here the letter names are getting pronounced H-E-E, D-O, do, S-O, so, G-O, go. So children would learn these words through sight, and we would not be doing through the phonetic way. When we are learning the word families, we do it in a phonetic way. So let's memorize, and these are the high frequency words, and children do learn it through the sight. He, do, so, go, to, me. You can also go like I and in, ISS, IT, it, UP, up, US, us, IF, if. But don't go like na, on, for, off, na, off. No, okay? So on, off, no, we, my, and, am, by, be, at, ox, and or. These are the simple sight words that you could begin with for the children when they are emerging to read. Once your little one has mastered the entire set of these 2-letter words, you can now move on to 3 or more letter words. Now, to re-emphasize on certain activities, what you could also do is you could take a worksheet and check whether the children are able to write. So let me quickly take up this worksheet, and I'll give you some simple exercises to work with. So what we're going to do here is like, now we know that the child has mastered these words. Now let's give them some practice worksheets. Now here, when I write a word, okay, a parent or a teacher can write a word. Now the child is going to read out every word what is given and starts writing the word besides it. Like me, the child writes me. So the parent or the teacher can give them set of words like this, because you want them to understand and you want them to rework on all the sight words that the child has learnt. So you can give them in any of the format that you want, and you help the child to revisit the words. So this also helps them in doing a copywriting, in identifying the letters. So what it is you do is like me, an, it, at, am, us, so, and it. So the moment that the child is able to write it, so you can also ask them to write multiple times. In case if you have a 4-line notebook, you can also help them to write with the help of lining like M-E, me, A-N, an, I-T, it, I-S, U-S, us, am, and so on. So this could be like one time, or if you would like them to write multiple times, in case if you find your child is not good enough in recognizing a particular word or it's confusing, you can give them repetitive writing. So this is one of the practice worksheet that you could do. So this helps out to practice every word that it is written. So you could always repeat it back, you could always revise it back, this entire work list. Now let's make it a little bit more nicer, and we can give some kind of a second activity wherein we want the children to match the words. I'm going to conduct a matching exercise. So you can draw any pattern like this and give it to the child. Let the child identify the words randomly and find out the corresponding word. So when I start giving them a particular word like, we, the child will find out where is we. So I have we here. So I can gently dab we. And he, me and me, so. So this is one of the matching worksheet. So this is all good enough, but in case if you want your child to like identify the sight words even better, what we could do is like we could list out the words which belong to the similar classification, like me, he, on, we and be. The child would be able to see, like, there is some kind of a relevance here, like me, he, we and we. So the ending is the letter E, and this is the odd one out. So you can ask the child to find out like which of the word in every row is not belonging to a particular classification, and ask them to circle. So you can pick up words like no, so, to, go and he, and let your child find out which one is not in the group. Okay, so you could repeat it and see, like, this is going to be really good enough for children to identify and reinforce the sight words. So this was the activity for today. Keep revising the sight words every day. It's very important. The more that you revise every day, just like your mathematics or the language exercises, or making sure that your child is reading and writing, reading the sight words is also important. And when you follow this slowly, you will notice your child will be able to identify and start reading the words and sentences, and they will be like, yay, I did it. So join the Train Brain family today and subscribe if you're a new member. Like, share if you felt this work was good enough. Thank you.